Hey guys, welcome to Odd Stuff. Today we are outside and we will be blowing up water bottles. So David, go ahead and get the water bottles.
I'll show them the water bottles.
Just get them.
So first we're going to be blowing
He's going to get the water bottles
up
up.
a giant Kroger bottle.
Just put that there. Wait, show them.
Oh, there.
Giant Kroger purified drinking water. We're gonna blow it up.
We're going to blow up a smaller one.
So smaller Kroger purified drinking water. I just got it on myself.
We're going to blow up one of those Nestle Pure Life things.
So we're gonna blow up a Nestle Pure Life water bottle. It says Pure Life begins now.
We're going to blow up a 1 liter Fiji.
So this is Fiji Natural Artesian water.
Okay.
Is that all of them, David?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get to blowing
Time
up
to
water bottles.
explode.
Okay, just wait 1 second. What? Liv, they can't see the ground.
Oh.
You gotta tilt it.
Hi, I'm your friend Olivia.
Okay. Ready? Pure Life first. 1, 2.
Wait. So this is the Nestle Pure Life drinking water one, and we're gonna do
1. Oh yeah, we're not wasting water. We just fill it with tap water.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
It didn't work.
Oh wait, I think it's leaking. Nope. Let's
Try two.
again.
Hey, not at me. That didn't work either.
Let's just.
I don't think it's gonna work.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Did you guys see that? He threw it at me. Stop it! I'm not wearing shoes.
Woo.
You
Where's the
introduce
cap
David.
go?
David, you introduce the next You introduce the next bottle. I
One
go get
sec.
some shoes on.
Oh wait, could you also throw this away?
Yeah.
Next, we're going for the giant Kroger. Let's just wait for it to be. Okay. So this time, you remember how that one splashed? It's gonna be bigger. It's leaking the cap. Okay, whatever. Wait, what? Okay, down two. Okay, Liv, ready?
Yeah, sure. Hi.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, it went down the stairs. Wait, David, don't move it yet. It's guys, don't I said don't move it yet. It's right there. It went down the stairs. It went down the stairs, guys.
That's because I chucked it.
Apparently he chucked it. Makes sense. There's a cat outside,
The other one was
so we have to make sure we don't hit him.
exploded. I don't know where the first gas is. That
And cat. Okay,
was okay.
next bottle.
Fiji.
Fiji.
Okay, wait.
Artesian.
Not Fiji. Okay, let's do the Kroger.
I'm cutting over here.
Okay, I'm gonna flip this one because this one's about to be wet.
The back. It's leaking. Show them.
Woo!
We did it! Point at me.
Woo!
Notice it's like not even spring yet. Like just starting. Like
Yeah.
it's just started. Like
It's still winter.
Grass-
It's still February.
there's still a bit of snow outside. So it would be so cold if
Still
you got
February.
it poured on you.
Still February. We're in
Still
Michigan.
February.
I don't
Fiji.
get this.
Fiji
Okay,
artesian
Fiji.
water. Starting now.
Fiji. Okay, ready? That was the. Okay.
First try. Failure.
Okay, try 2.
Wait, can I try?
Okay,
I need to.
What did you do? What did you do? Hey, Dad. Dad. The drummer one broke. Don't mind. Just throw it. Just throw it. That's annoying.
What the heck?
What the frick?
It didn't explode!
Dude, the bottle! It blew!
Wait.
Look at this, the bottle
Gimme.
Okay,
I want to show them.
Yo, gimme. Okay, so the bottom just blew up. Okay, try two. Pretty good.
No, I'm gonna try to get
No.
Okay, I need to be behind.
Okay.
The treetops.
Liv, seriously, stop.
When the wind blows, the quail
Liv, stop.
will drop. What the heck?
Really? Let me try.
Wait, throw it off the porch. No.
Not hard.
Wait.
What did you do?
I can't videotape you.
Liv, look at that. Liv, come on, throw it from here onto the porch.
Wait.
Come on, shut-
Oh, so I should be on the porch.
Yeah, come on. Okay, ready?
Nope. Wait, I need to get this in position. Okay, I'm ready.
What?
Nothing has happened.
Try two.
Can I try again?
Dad, you broke a bottle.
Can I try again?
We broke a bottle. Like, it broke.
What?
Hi, kitty.
Just drop it straight down, dude.
We are. Okay. Hey, wait! I want to videotape it. What if it, like...
Hey, let's watch the pro do.
No, don't get it on me.
Alright, you're gonna throw it through a window. I think we're done.
No. We have to explode the Fiji bottle. Okay, let's just try bottle flipping it.
Groundbreaking it.
Let's try bottle flipping it.
It seems like impossible.
Okay. Let me-
Look at that. Tore the grass off.
It tore the grass up.
So it's very tough.
Yeah, the Fiji's almost indestructible. And when something's indestructible,
Don't
use
throw it through the
metal.
window.
Do not throw it through the window. What is wrong with you? Okay. I'm gonna throw it.
No.
It's not gonna.
I'm gonna throw it.
Okay, guys.
So it hits. Look, one more throw. It's gonna
One-
hit the porch edge.
Oh.
This
So.
one. Ready? Throw!
Nope. Okay.
Okay.
We are done. Moral of the story. Moral of the story. Fiji bottles are indestructible. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you
Look
for
at this.
watching,
Look at
guys. That's what happens when you
Fiji's
have
are
aquifer
troopers.
water.
Fiji's are troopers.
Okay. Bye, guys. We hope you had a fun day watching us.
This is supposed to hold a leader.
Yeah,
Now
it
hold-
is.
Look at this.
Could you stop
more
talking over me?
space.
Wait.
It's like more than a liter now.
Now we are going to pour out the Fiji water. We'll miss you. David, that's cool.
I'm just gonna hold it. Bye.
Bye, guys. We hope you had a fun time watching. This is the final one, I promise. Not our final video, just our final goodbye.
And,
Bye, guys. We hope you. We
if you
have a
wanna
lot
break
of.
a bottle, just break
If you
the
want to
Kroger.
break a bottle, just break a Kroger purified drinking water. Goodbye, guys. We hope you had a fun time watching us explode bottles.